have ever done, and it could very well be up in the top 10. Hello Earthlings, let's do our hair, but with a little more care for the world in which we breathe the air. What's good, everybody? It's your main girl Mel, back at it again with a brand new routine, which is going to be the most economically friendly that I have ever shared. It doesn't get more affordable than this. This hair routine is going to be low waste, include DIYs, and be completely curly hair friendly, hopefully. You see, a lot of this is going to be new to me. I have never quite done some of this before, but I have been testing some new shampoo and conditioner bars, as well as co-wash and leave-in conditioner bars. Some very interesting sustainable hair products from As I Am, who I'm so excited to partner with for today's video to showcase their new hemp seeds and ceramides bars on my curly hair. So if you have been looking for ways to clean up and reduce waste in your curly hair routine, then without further ado, let's get to it. First things first, I prepared my styler. While I'm usually searching the web for vegan recipes to eat, I started this wash day by searching for the best DIY recipes for a flaxseed gel for your hair, which is still vegan, by the way, as is the entire As I Am hemp seed oil collection. These bars are completely vegan and cruelty-free, plastic-free, and the same thing goes for this flaxseed gel, except for the cruelty-free part. I think the only cruelty being done here is on me. I'm just kidding. Lots of people have been doing flaxseed gel DIYs on themselves for a very long time. I just feel certain ways about putting food in your hair. But a great way of being low waste is using what you have. So I used what I had, which was whole golden roasted flax seeds. Technically, apparently, according to the research, brown flax seeds are better. They tend to produce more gel, and it wasn't entirely clear, but I don't think they're supposed to be roasted. However, I used what I had, and it seemed to have turned out just fine. That looks like a mucousy consistency. Let's cut the heat and keep stirring. Oh Lord, oh no, it's sticking. Oh, she's gonna be thick. Like her mama. Tickle me pink, it already feels nice in the hair. Oh my goodness. Let's get washing as we let this cool. I wanted to start with the gel so it could cool down while I jump in the shower and get washing. This is actually going to be my first wash since coloring my hair, so I'm very intrigued to see how the shampoo is going to work on hair that is freshly color treated. Fresh color, I hope you don't fade away, cause that would be a waste, and this is supposed to be no waste. Now, step one to being low waste, we need to conserve the water. I am not going to keep it running at all, ever. Barely. We need to drench the hairs. This is the bar I've been using. It's looking a little used and abused because I don't think I'm storing it properly. But with these, a little bit goes a long way. This should last me 2 to 3 times longer than an 8-ounce bottle of shampoo, which is huge. First impressions in the shower, using the bar, you get a very rosy floral scent like you just walked into a flower bed. If that's your cup of tea, you're going to love these. Personally, I love the lather. The rectangular shape of the shampoo bar makes it easy to rub into the scalp. I just use the edge and use little circular motions on my wet hair, applying directly to the scalp. Alternatively, you can massage in your hand, but you won't get as much product that way. And applying directly is honestly easier. The lather is really rich and creamy. It's easy to distribute throughout your hair and cleanse properly. It got really nice and soapy, but do not be fooled. These are not soap. They are soap free. Soap can be very drying to the skin. It has a high pH, which can be irritating and also not friendly for the hair. But the cleansing surfactant used in these bars is called sodium cocoyl isethionate, which has been shown to be much more gentle on the skin's barrier. The shampoo bar also has salicylic acid in it, so it could be helpful for gentle exfoliating. And upon rinsing, my hair does feel really nice and clean, but not crazy tangly, which is nice. Now, the conditioner surprised me on how well it worked to detangle. Betaine is an ingredient formulated into these bars to improve the shine of your hair by maintaining the health of the cuticle, and it is also really moisturizing for the scalp. You can gently massage your scalp with a little bit of this conditioner if it is dry. It will help to moisturize. Usually with shampoo and conditioner bars, while the shampoo lasts longer than regular shampoo, the conditioner lasts even longer, with an estimate of up to 100 applications of the conditioner. That's a lot of wash days. These bars are insanely affordable. They're under $7, And I have a discount code, so if you use Mains by Mell at checkout, you can get 10% off of every order. It's magical. I'm gonna rinse and we'll get to styling. So now comes the fun and slightly scary part. We're going to be prepping with their leave-in conditioner bar. This is the first leave-in solid styling product that I have ever seen. And when using this, I make sure I apply it to soaking wet hair. I also want to warm up the bar under some water just to kind of soften it up and get ready to apply. Okay, she's wet, she's wild, but it's not that scary. You just very gently slide the product down your hair, just like we did the conditioner. What I will say is the bars can get soft, so you don't want to squeeze and squish the bar. I just kind of sandwich my hair between the bar and my other hand. And this is very important before going in with a gel, because it's going to help prevent flaking that often happens. Plus, it's gonna help with easy detangling and, of course, moisturizing. I personally can't get through a hair routine without using a moisturizer, a leave-in, a cream. So this is essential for me. And one of these leave-in conditioner bars helps save up to 6 plastic bottles of your regular leave-in conditioner. Not to mention, they're excellent for traveling with. I will be traveling at the moment that this video is being posted. And lucky for me, these are extremely travel friendly and TSA compliant and will not be spilling all over my luggage. So now, let's get into this DIY gel. I'm gonna take a little bit of the product, yay amount. I'm not sure how you would describe that. It's about a goop-sized amount, a goop and a geep, a tablespoon amount. I don't know. And I'm gonna apply this to my bottom section here. Now, I could have added some essential oils to this if I wanted to add a little bit of a fragrance, but the As I Am bars have a very floral and rose scent naturally to them. So I'm banking on them canceling out the smell of the flax. So now that that's in, I'm going to clump my curls with my brush just like I normally would. The hair has really good slip so far. It's not giving me any issues. You know, no resistance with my brush. No tangles. This is a very scary, grudgy moment. I'm getting the vibes of The Ring a little bit. Let's hope my hair survives another 7 days. Now, for good luck and good hold and in good faith, I'm going to scrunch in just a little bit more of this flaxseed jelly. My hair is nice and wet. It sounds nice and squishy, which should help prevent my hair from getting too crunchy from the gel. But I'll show you what that hold looks like once she is dry. I'll be right back with the results. Hello. Okay, what a nice amount of crunchy. Definitely have a little wind chime going on here. There's just enough crunch that it held everything together while diffusing. The last thing to do is just finish. I'm just gonna take a couple drops of jojoba oil, just a very natural oil that you may have as a carrier oil that you use for other things. We're using what we have, keeping it very natural, very eco-friendly. This is a step you may not even need, but my hair is dry, and to help protect against humidity, this is what I need. Also, this should help with flaking. I hope it doesn't flake. Oh my goodness. This is the most affordable wash day I have ever done, and it could very well be up in the top 10. It's unbelievable. I could mistaken this for one of my best wash days, one of my most luxurious wash days with some of the most expensive products. I feel so good about this. I feel so good knowing that I could fully continue doing this routine and have my curly hair days be a lot more eco-friendly. What do you think? Have you made your own DIY flaxseed gel? And do you see yourself trying this As I Am hemp seed oil collection? I could definitely continue using these. I washed my hair with them about 4 or 5 times now. And for my first wash post color, I mean, my color looks great. Still intact. Not a single fade. You can find this collection on the As I Am website, where 1% of these sales goes to one tree planted. And did I mention these are all under $7 US doll hairs? And I have a discount code, so if you use Mains by Mell at checkout, you can get 10% off of every order. I will leave a link for you to tap through in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Extremely affordable and effective as well. The results speak for themselves. My hair feels incredible. And you, my goo, I wonder how edible you are. You, my friend, get the solo DIY stamp of approval. I'm not usually for food in the hair, but this was so efficient to do. It took 5 minutes. It was honestly kind of fun, and it worked fabulously. I'm also pleased to say that as I whip my hair back and forth, I am wafted with the pleasant scent of floral flowers. And I think that's it. I have nothing else to say. I am going to leave as I am. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you to As I Am for working with me on today's video. This collection and routine gets my stamp of approval. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this has been your main girl Mel, a worldwide traveler. And now these are going to take a very comfortable seat in my carry-ons, which you will see more of soon. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of the fun. And we are done. Peace! Hey, 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 welcome to my low-waist wash day. My most economical, friendly hair day yet. Yeah. No, I'm actually a little bit scared, but yeah. Hey. Hello, Earthlings. Let's do our hair, but with a little more care for the world, which we breathe air. Breathe, yeah, that's a good one. Let me do it one more time, but with, yeah, okay, hold on. Dr. Seuss? No way. No, I'm not. We've got some time, we need space, is what you should do when you're doing your hair. The best way to be low waist is to not do your hair very often. Babe, have a great day 1 so you can get to day 7. Yeah, if you can. Sometimes you can't. Probably because you're active. Unlike my ass is. Goodbye.